today. Oh my goodness, another squish box. Oh, what the heck? This side came out okay, but it's all squished. Okay, this right here came from Purse Creator. Yes, I'm not supposed to be buying anything. I'm trying to save for my Chicago trip. So all you resellers out there, Lady Badger, it's Hadrian, Purse Creator, Kristen D, I'm sorry, Robin, Cloverleaf Bags. Everybody has to go visit them and buy something from them because I'm not buying right now. I can't buy right now. But I have some things that I put down that I have to pay off, and then I'm trying to save for my trip, so I'm not buying from them, so y'all need to help them out. Here's how it came. So she did say that I was on the live, and I just got through saying I'm not buying anything, I'm sitting on my hands, I'm not buying anything, and she says, Dee Dee, you're on here, I have something that you're gonna love. And I was like, oh no, I knew it was gonna be a Dooney, but this was a Dooney I couldn't pass up. I had told myself in my head, it's a Dooney, they'll come back around, you'll be able to get it again, just say no. No. This is not a just say no. This is something that is not going to come around again. So, oh my goodness. Luckily this isn't a bag that's going to get too hurt. But I can't believe the postman. Okay, I'm going to have to put it on the ground. Hold on. Okay. Actually, this will probably be a better reveal. Oh my goodness. And I know it looks like you put it in here so good, Vicky, Purse Creator, so that it wouldn't get squished, and it got squished anyway. But let me try to fluff it out. Hold on. Oh, you put some pretty stuff in there so that it'll look pretty on the... yeah, hold on. I might have to pause. Okay. The post office squished it so bad that I had to work at it to get it, back into shape. This, I have never seen this before, and oh my goodness. Okay, Bean Beauties, here it is. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a Weekender bag, and it's still a little squished though from the post office, but look, let me do a little spin. I've never seen one of these before. I had been looking for a Weekender bag, but this is a see-through one. It's a PVC, so it's see-through, so that's that. And here's the bottom. Yeah, it has feet on the bottom. I thought I did. And then here's the view from the top. It has these snaps where they snap on and snap off. Let me see if they're easy to... there we go. See, it snaps on. Nice and easy. Now these... whoops. This one's a little bit harder. Okay, I'll have to do that one later. I can't do it. So on here, I don't know if I can get this close enough, but the little circles, what they have is they have a saddle bag is what it's on there. And then here, right here is the patch, the emblem that says Dooney Bourke on there. 1975, it says 1975. Here's a hook right here, or I don't know if that's for a charm, because I only see one. Also, maybe that's a charm. I bet you there was like a luggage tag that could be hung on there, because Dooney used to have luggage tags that could go on there. Let's see how the inside is. The zipper is nice and smooth. So here's the inside. She gave me some some prettiness. Oh, then she put some stuff in here too. Okay, let's see. And here is what is this called? The ring keeper, the key keeper, the key keeper, and it has a bottom which is kind of a let's see. Can you see the bottom? It's like a piece of plastic on the bottom, but it's all distorted because the post office squished it so much. They squished it so much. So here it has the feet that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet. So the 4 corners and in the center. And so I was very excited about this. Very, very excited about this. And it is such a cool thing. I'm definitely gonna have to put something in it so that it won't collapse like that, because like I said, I know that she didn't send it this way. The post office just did a horrible thing. Let me see if I can put this pillow in it, if that'll help, at least so that y'all can get a better view of it. Okay. It's just craziness. This is craziness, Vicky. But at least it got here in one piece. Oh, my shoulders hurt. That hurt my shoulders. Okay, we're gonna let that rest for a little while. I'm gonna see what kind of other goodies. I don't remember if I bought this stuff, if she sent it this stuff. I don't know. I don't know. She sent me goodies. Oh, she sent me a Mickey keychain. Thank you, purse creator. And here is a Churi's manufacturing made in the US luggage tag. Oh good, I'll put it on that. Here's a luggage tag she sent. And then here is just a little makeup bag she sent. Thank you, purse creator. Thank you so much. I will definitely use this. I'll put that on there. I think I do have a Dooney luggage tag though, I think, maybe, if I didn't put on something else. I love my Weekender. It was a pretty price. I don't remember, it was like 100, 150 in that range. Oh wait, I can go look at my invoice. It still was less expensive than, you know, brand new or somewhere else. Purse creator. Okay, so I paid $110 for the Weekender bag, is what I paid, $110. And then the shipping was a little high because it was $19.11, but you know, it's a big item. And it's PVC, so it's a pretty heavy item, so total came out to $129.11. But I mean, this is a unique item, very unique item. I'm just like in love with it. I will be traveling with this one, just so y'all know. Definitely won't be traveling with this one. I will probably be putting something that will be fun in here. I can't get this is hard. I'll probably have to get the hubs to do this. But let me show y'all what I'm gonna do to try to get it back into shape. I have another pillow over here. And I'm gonna put both these pillows in here. Let me take this out. And it's like, I know that Vicky takes such care in shipping her stuff, but it doesn't do any good when the post office just squishes everything, puts it on the bottom and squishes everything. Oh my goodness, this is a nightmare to try to get this in here. Okay, I got the pillows in there, but I went ahead and unbuckled the sides, and there we go. I don't want to get the pillow caught in the zipper because that'll be a nightmare. Oh, I'll probably have to cut some of this. The Adventures of Dee Dee Bean. Okay, so I'm hoping that that'll give it a little bit, give it a shape back after a few days or a week or so. Although it is cold in here, so I might have to take this out to the other part of the house where it can get a little warmth, because you know, when plastic gets extra cold or extra hot, it's always gets kind of brittle. How do I take care of this? Does anybody know? Jackie, are you out there? How do you take care of this so where it stays soft and doesn't get brittle on me? Now I'm gonna need new pillows for my back. There we go. That looks a lot better. The bottom is still kind of out of shape here, but there we go. Much better. Isn't it beautiful? I'm just excited about this. I think my thoughts is that this is going to be used as a beach bag or a pull bag. I wanted to put my towels and things in and keep it. by the back door so that when we have company or the grandkids come over, then we have towels in here for them. The hubs and I keep our towels out by the pool. We have a little cabana and we keep them out there. You know, when we have company and stuff, then I can have them in here. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Has anybody seen one of these before? Love it, love it. All right, Bean Beauties. This has been an adventure. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And here's a summer bag. Here is my summer bag, my summer go-to towel bag for the summer. Hopefully that y'all enjoyed the Weekender bag and seeing something different and unusual. I like it. I like it so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.